Science and Technology and Waste Management. Speaker sir, the total budget allocation of the department is 221.15 crores. Speaker sir, I propose to regulate all the scrapyard operations in the state by making them compulsory registered with the Goa State Waste Management Corporation, and failing which they will be demolished. Speaker sir, based on the success of waste management model in the state, GWMC will now offer consultancy services in the waste management to institutions, government bodies and private entities at a national and international level. Speaker sir, I also propose to provide the training, workshop and short-term courses with the certification in waste management for the student, workers and officials in collaboration with the government departments and other institutions in state. सभापती महोदय, आर्थिक वर्ष 23-24 वर्सांत तरणाट्यांक शास्त्रज्ञाक दर वर्सा 5 लाख रुपयाची पुरवण करप, मनोहर पर्रीकर युवा शास्त्रज्ञ पुरस्कार दिवन शास्त्रीय संशोधन चालक दिवपाचोय प्रस्ताव हांव मांडटा. Speaker sir, in order to process the huge quantity of e-waste in the state, e-waste management facility on PPP basis at Pisulla at a cost of ₹7 crores is proposed to be completed by December 2023.